boys and girls, welcome to our English class. Today we are going to study Unit 1, Student Book, Lesson E, Workbook, Lesson B and C, page 6 and 7. Now everyone, look at your student book. Look at the picture and say,
I have to get tickets. He has to mail a letter.
Okay, now everyone remember the subject is about I, you, we, they. We say have to. I have to. You have to. We have to. They have to. But the subjects are about he, she, it. We have to say has to. He has to. She has to. It has to. Now listen to the third picture.
They have to return clothes. He has to pay a bill. He has to get a haircut. They have to look for a book. She has to get medicine. He has to buy groceries.
Now remember I, you, we, they have to. He, she, it has to. Now we will move to Workbook. Open your workbook, page 6. Read and write has to or have to. Number 1, she. When we see she has to or she have to. Has to. She has to look for a book. Number 2, he. He has to or he have to. Has to. He has to mail a letter. Number 3, I has to or I have to. I have to. I have to get a haircut. Number 4, you has to or you have to. You have to. You have to return the clothes. And number 5, they has to or they have to. They have to get tickets. Okay, now remember I, you, we, they, we use have to. And he, she, it, we use has to. Now look and check. Number 1, he has to buy groceries. He has to mail a letter. Yes, the second sentence, very good. Now number 2, the first sentence or the second sentence. The first sentence, he has to get a haircut. Number 3, the first sentence, he has to get medicine. And number 4, the second sentence, I have to return my clothes. Very good. And now look and write use has to or have to. Look at picture 1, they have to or they has to. They have to. They have to buy groceries. Number 2, she has to. Very good. She has to look for a book. Number 3, I have to pay a bill. Number 4, has to get tickets. Okay, very good everyone. And now that's the end of our lesson today. Goodbye and see you later.